Right here, right next to the car. He's walking, see him? Hello, seagull. He's gonna try to get up there and catch a wave of wind. He's thinking about it. I think that's the one that was doing the hovering next to the car before. Hey, it's funny, I didn't know their tails were black with white circles. Jersey, you should come on this side. There's a seagull.
He sees it.
You see him? I don't want to scare them because I know they're laying their eggs now. Okay, Jersey, I'm going to open up the window on this side. I don't want to open up the window on both sides at the same time because... Jersey, come look at the seagull. Hurry. Oh, he just pooped. That's gross. Jersey, look at the seagull out there. See the bird? See the seagull? He's going to try to hover in the wind.
Lunch.
Jersey, do not eat seagulls. Oh, there goes one up there.
You get him?
No, I'm keeping my camera on this one, because as soon as I take it off, he'll probably do something.
He's busy taking a dump.
See him, Jersey? See the birdie?
I gotta put you down.
I don't know how that bird could stand out there. It was almost knocking me over. That's how strong the winds were. They must have strong legs. Is the end of his beak black, or is he holding something like a worm or something? Oh, here comes one. He's gonna hover. There he goes. Hover, hover, hover. Woo. Where'd he go? Oh. He went all the way over to the other side. Oh, birdie's still there. Hanging on for dear life. I don't know how that bird could stand there. Oh, look. See all the way out there? There's a duck.
Where?
Oh, he's way out there.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you need to get your butt back in here. Head for land. I'm trying to zoom in on him. I can just see the top of his head.
He's not riding the waves.
Yeah. It's funny how they do that. It's like they're little bird surfers. Wonder why that seagull is just standing there. Oh, there he goes. And he's off. There he goes. He's hovering. Oh.
Hope he found something.
That's what he's waiting for. Maybe he found something in the water to eat. Whoop, here he comes. He's gonna dive bomb us, maybe. Ah. Seagull. Yep, look, he's hovering. He's riding a wave of wind. Whoop, where'd he go? I can see him, but I'm not seeing him on my camera now. Oh, there he goes. Still trying to keep him in my camera. Oh, he's over the car now. I'm gonna have to come out the front and see if I can get him there. Oh wait, there he goes. He's just hovering right outside the car. You gotta open this window, but I'm gonna get blown away here. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he had to give up and get back on land. Nope, he's going back out for another ride. They are amazing. Oh my gosh. This footage is probably going to be horrible at me moving around so fast. It's hard to see through the window now. Look, there's that duck all the way out there. Oh, there goes the seagull again. Oh, and we got two of them. Oh, I don't know how do they stay out there? Now I don't even see the duck anymore. I wonder if they get like submerged and then come out from underneath the wave if they don't hit it just right. I saw his head a few times. He's not on land. We got two seagulls now. You see the duck again? No. He needs to get his butt back in here. Oh, you hear the seagulls? There's two of them above us. Oh wait, now we have three. Oh, take this camera to stay right. They're hovering together, like in formation. Whew. Okay, okay. Oh wow, there's about 5 or 6 of them now. They're all catching a good wave of wind. You hear them? Man, they must be tired after doing that all day. Oh, look at that speckled one. He looks like an owl almost. No, he's not. Wow, they're all different colors. Spots. That one's like brindle looking. And they're off. Catching another wave. Yeah, it's like they go back here and they go back to that house. And then they start all over again.